The WWE's apex predator is on the hunt.
The following is a tag team match set for one fall. Introducing first, from St. Louis, Missouri, weighing in at 295 pounds, the multiversal, infinite champion, the Viper, Randy Orton!
As our good friend JBL often says, if you were to build a superstar from the ground up, it would look like Randy Orton. One of the most vindictive, one of the most vengeful, and one of the most dangerous superstars you will ever see. That's why I love everything about this guy, Saxton. Randy Orton's methodical pursuit of self-serving goals is synonymous with his personality. A superstar who always gets what he wants. My sources tell me that Randy Orton wants you to go home, Saxton.
Well, Randy's ready to consume more prey here tonight. You might want to take Corey's advice, Sax man.
Behold the modern-day witch.
Dawn gives me the creeps.
And her partner, representing the Unholy Union from Glasgow, Scotland, Isla Dawn!
Dawn boasts over a decade of wrestling experience. She came up in the UK independent scene.
Yeah, Dawn has a background in kickboxing and dance, which allows her to meld grace with athleticism. And she's pretty scary, too.
Yeah, she's just as dangerous physically as she is mentally.
We'll see if Isla Dawn's spells and spirits can get the job done tonight.
Ooh, you better be careful, Corey. She might just put a curse on you.
WWE Universe, take a look at what true dominance looks like.
Yeah, take a look at a cocky, sleazy, underhanded faction that the Judgment Day has become.
And Judgment Day wants to decimate the competition by any means necessary.
And Dominic Mysterio and Liv Morgan, the Judgment Day.
Look, you can hate them all you want, but the Judgment Day is more often than not draped in gold.
We've seen members win the tag titles, the men's and women's world titles. You can't deny the talent of this group.
Hey, no one's denying Judgment Day's talent, just calling out how they conduct themselves and how they get their wins and titles.
Look, when you run things like Judgment Day does, the rules don't apply to you.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
The team that has long proclaimed to run Monday Night Raw, heck, all of WWE.
Well, the Judgment Day are more than just a team. They're a unit, a family.
A family that'll stab you in the back if they think you've outgrown them or if you've gotten too big to control.
Well, sometimes you gotta get rid of your toxic family members.
Here we go with the Judgment Day in the ring. This group causes chaos and destruction wherever they go, all in the pursuit of amassing as much power as they can.
Judgment Day is a legitimate threat to anyone in WWE. They have the numbers, the talent, and they will smash any superstar in their way.
Yeah, Judgment Day won't rest until there's nobody left to oppose them, until they have completely taken over WWE.
And as their opponents, you need to cut the ring in half. You're facing a team with great synergy. Keeping them apart will be essential to success.
Isolation is certainly a key to neutralizing any great tag team.
And another.
And with an onslaught of strikes like that, it's clear they have nothing but punishment on their mind.
Vicious right forearm. Catches a punch. Ooh.
Counter after counter. Neither superstar getting the clear advantage.
In control here with a swinging neck breaker.
Textbook. Getting tagged in.
He got out of dodge just in time. Ooh, that's how you dominate your opponent. It couldn't have felt good being shucked around like that. And into the turnbuckle he goes.
Ooh, I hope you enjoy that mouthful of leather.
He counters with a great reversal.
There's a tag. Opponent off the ropes. Double big back body drop. Those two are in such a cohesive rhythm out there.
It's like playing jazz, but using your opponent as the drum.
Oh!
Boot to the stomach gives them separation.
Boom. That puts her on the offensive.
Oh, man, right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow. And Liv is the one being challenged here.
Isla showing an aggression that won't be contained.
And that was an efficient form of offense with that move. Dawn stringing together some impressive offense now.
This is where Morgan will be tested.
Oh, scouted that one.
Opportunity now for Morgan to capture some momentum.
That could be the spark Liv was looking for.
Set out mat slam.
Way to avoid that. Oh, man, that was nasty.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm.
Great defense by Morgan.
These two showing how well they know each other.
Oh, my Lord. Cobra clutch. And a slam. Ooh.
Stalking here could be a prelude to something big.
Uh-oh. What an elbow drop.
Right to the heart. Victory nearly in hand for Dawn.
the top rope here.
Taking flight. She escapes the attack.
And down for the count.
And a strong kick out in one.
Somehow still in this fight. Not down and out yet.
Sent to the corner. Dawn messing with him, clearly trying to force an error. Clothesline.
Uh-oh. And that stops whatever Dawn intended.
Ooh, elbow strike.
Liv Morgan, a hammer lock.
SOS.
Face buster.
In off the tag.
Dawn steers clear there.
Punch. And Mysterio hasn't quite learned the defense for that attack yet.
Yeah, and Orton showed he hasn't lost an ounce of that killer instinct.
Ooh, shot to the chest.
Turns it around. Uh-oh. Hung out to dry.
Won't go away. No!
Dominic Mysterio has his opponent in place.
Instead, whipped back down to the mat.
Solid contact from the Viper. Oh, and a stomp.
Just despicable, menacing.
Nice job dodging contact there.
Answer after answer for each other's offense.
Big boot. We knew we were in for something special between these competitors, but they are taking things over their own limits.
And Dominic is getting the crowd going.
And gets tossed back into the mat.
And he got to his partner.
An RKO from out of nowhere.
Liv's in a terrible predicament. Looking to end this once and for all.
Cover. He comes to the rescue for his team.
Coming in off the tag.
Kick to the gut. Things have gotten worse for Liv Morgan. She could be out of this match.
Everything she has been through to this point, she is feeling all of it right now.
Crushing knee strike. Big clothesline.
Hit the ropes.
Brutal knee to the side of the face.
Ooh, clothesline delivered.
Liv is losing any kind of advantage here.
Yeah, Isla just can't be stopped now.
Cobra clutch.
Cutthroat side slam.
Follows up, shoulders down. 2. And a major victory in her career tonight. Whenever tag team is on the docket, the mayhem multiplies. Here's the proof.
Here are your winners. The team of Isla Dawn and Randy Orton.
And during a loss like this will cause the Judgment Day to question their powers.
That wasn't just a